Hey, Apple fans! Big news just dropped from Cupertino, and if you're as obsessed with iOS updates as I am, listen up. On July 21, 2025, Apple rolled out the release candidate betas for iOS 18.6, iPadOS 18.6, macOS 15.6, and a bunch more. This isn't just another Tuesday. This is the last stop before the public version hits your devices, and it could be landing as soon as this week. Let's break down what's new, why it matters, and whether you should hit install or hang tight. First, timing. Apple's iOS 18.6 RC beta dropped just a week after Beta 3. Super fast, even for Apple. And here's the kicker: developers and public testers got it at the same time. That almost never happens, so you know Apple's pushing hard for stability before iOS 26's big fall debut. All the big names, 9to5Mac, McRumors, and even some X-posts from tech insiders, are betting the public release is coming by July 28th. So if you love being first, now's your moment. Now what's actually new in iOS 18.6? Okay, don't expect wild redesigns or mind-blowing features this round. Apple's keeping things low-key, focusing hard on stability and behind-the-scenes performance. For folks in the EU though, there are some interesting tweaks. Apple's expanding third-party app marketplaces and letting you use different browser engines to line up with those new Digital Markets Act rules. For the rest of us, it's mainly bug fixes. Think smoother Safari, fewer messages, hiccups, and overall polish. No Apple Intelligence upgrades yet, that's all coming in iOS 26. If you were hoping for something splashy, you might have to wait a bit longer. So why does this update matter at all? Even if iOS 18.6 isn't flashy, it's basically Apple setting the table for iOS 26. It's all about making sure your iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple TV, Apple Watch, HomePod, and even Vision Pro are steady and ready for the next big thing. Releasing the RC to everyone at once? That says Apple's serious about squashing bugs and getting their whole ecosystem dialed in before rolling out those new AI-driven features later this year. Some folks online are pumped about the polish, others wonder if all these EU changes will confuse us here in the States. Either way, it's Apple making sure things just work. Now, should you install the iOS 18.6 RC beta today? If you're a regular user and not in a rush, I'd say hang tight for the public release. It's probably just a few days away. But if you love testing new stuff, make sure to back up your device before you dive in. Some tech folks are excited for the smoothness, others are cautious. As always, keep an eye out for iOS 26 beta news and those new M5 iPad Pro features too. Bottom line, iOS 18.6 RC beta is all about stability, little EU tweaks, and prepping for the real show, iOS 26. Are you running the beta already? Find any hidden gems? Drop a comment below, smash that like button, and subscribe for all things Apple. I'll catch you in the next update.